The following shows the printing process of the S26 single-sided card printer. First, we will show you how to print cards using colored ribbons and blank cards. Open the printer cover, put the ribbon holder into the printer and close the cover. Put the blank card into the input hopper and put the weight module on top. Cards can be automatically fed from here when printing begins. Power on the printer and connect it to the computer. Keep the printer ready. Run the Card software. We have already designed the front and back of the card. First, print the front side of the card. Select only the front of the card, and then click Print. The card has entered the card printer and started printing. It only takes 18 seconds to print one-sided color. You can check the printing effect. Now we will print the back of the card. Select only the back of the card, and then click Print. Now we will show you how to use the S26 card printer to print with black ribbon and blank card. Put the black ribbon into the card printer and close the cover. Power on the card printer and connect to the computer. Keep the card printer ready. Run the Card software. This is the design style. Select the front side of the card to print. Single-sided black printing only takes 4 seconds. You can check the printing effect. Now we will print the back of the card. Select only the back of the card and click Print.